guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. Been busy trying to decorate this house. So I have a haul for you guys. It's a decent sized haul. I went to Lowe's, Target, Hobby Lobby, and TJ Maxx. So let's start with the Target stuff. I'm painting our cabinets. We got the builder grade cabinets, and the intentions were for me to paint the cabinets whichever color I wanted, and I started yesterday. So for the island, I'm doing Divine Greystone, which looks like this. So Divine Greystone for the island, and Divine Lace Divine Lace for the upper cabinets and the lower cabinets all around the kitchen. So that's what I got at Target, and I think I got something else from Target. Hold on. Along with the kitchen that I'm renovating, I'm also decorating our room. So I'm doing two rooms, so the master and the kitchen, and I flip back and forth between the living room and the entryway. So at Target, I just got Jaxson. You're too loud. At Target, I just got this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a pinstripe jersey kind of material sheet set for our bed, and it's gray. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what it looks like. So I got this for our bed. And then also got this peach looking plush pillowcase for two of my pillows that are on my bed. And these are standard, but the pillows that are, two of the pillows on my bed are queen. Also for the kids, I'm going back to doing lunch videos, so I just picked up this heart cat and jack sandwich cutter. Picked up this food picks. So I got 3 food picks. They're different sand, different designs, stuff like that. So I got 3. And this one is just like a animal theme one. So I got that. I also got some lunch notes. So I got the riddle, facts and funnies. So I got facts and funnies, and I think I got, oh, and riddles and giggles, and another cookie cutter, another sandwich cutter. This one is in star, and 2 ice packs. So this is a dinosaur, and this one is a rainbow. So cute. And that's for their lunch supply for lunch videos. And I think that's all I got from, yeah, that's all I got from Target. Now for TJ Maxx. So I got this white container, and it's just, oh, lighting is horrible. Let me see if it's better over here. So it's just this white container, and you put your trash bag, not trash bag, but your store bags in here. Put it here, and then you pull here and just put it on your cabinet. And this was $3.99 at TJ Maxx. And then I got the mini bites containers. They look like this. Maddie destroyed the package, but 3 come in it. These, there's 3 of them. So you got the green, the blue, and the pink one. And that's for their lunch videos that I have coming up this school year. And then I had to stock up on the dressing container because I lost a few of the caps for the other ones. And then I got a basket. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got this basket from TJ Maxx. Their basket is really inexpensive and really good quality, and I paid $9.99 for this, and it's gonna go in the front entryway under a bench that I have. And also from there, I got this pillow. How cute is this pillow, guys? So cute. And I paid $14.99 for this pillow, and I love anything that has gray and cream in it, and I love it. I just love it. I had to have it. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but I couldn't leave it behind. And then for our bed, okay, so the sheet set that I got, is white, and it wasn't in a pack or anything. It was open. It was just loose, and it was the only one that they have. So it's the Nicole Miller from TJ Maxx, and it's so pretty, guys. It's like that. It's really pretty, and the detail on it is like amazing. Look at that detail. Like, that's so pretty. And then it comes with that, and then these. So that's gonna go on my bed. I'm gonna show you guys how I style that on my bed. And then also from TJ Maxx, I got this throw blanket. So cute. I like it. I want to put it at the end of my bed or on this bench that I have, and it was only $16.99. So that's what I got from there. And then from Lowe's, I got the polyacrylic finish water-based clear mat for the cabinets. I was gonna put the wax on it, but for some reason I don't like the wax, so I'm gonna do the polyurethane on it. And then I got extra brush foam rollers for the cabinets. I put it on with the brush and then rub it out with the foam to save paint, because these soak up paint like no other. And then also from there, I got from Amazon, I purchased the knobs and the pulls for the cabinets, and the screws that came with it are too short, so I had to purchase 1.5 inch, but I think I actually need the 2 inch or more for it. So I need to go back and return the one that I purchased and figure that out. And then last but not least, I have 2 more items upstairs, so I'm gonna show you guys those. But first I want to show you guys, I got lamps for our rooms. So this is just a glass base, and it has the chicken wire material on it, and it's like really pretty. And then it has like a beige lampshade. So I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were so cute, and yeah, they were $29.99, and I purchased them last week and went back and got my discount this week because their pillows are on sale this week, as well as their lamp. So I got 2 of these for my bedroom. So I'm gonna show you guys our room, how I set everything up, and then I'm gonna show you guys the island, what it's looking like with the paint on it, because I started painting yesterday, and I have a bunch of other stuff that I want to show you guys in this haul. But anyways, without any more, I will show you guys what I've done so far, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys. This is what the kitchen island looks like. I put the knobs, I haven't put the screws because I purchased this, but it's not the right length. I got the 1.5 and I need the 2. Because these drawers, they have, if I want it to be centered, it has the stick part. So when I drill all the way down here, the screw that came with it does not fit. So this is what the island looks like.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold.
Okay guys, so this is where I put the basket. It's right there under this bench by the front. And I think this area right here is complete. What do you guys think? I have to move this desk because it's not going to stay there. I ordered the table and the chairs for this area. But I think the front is complete.
Yes, I did it all for love. Oh. They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them.
So I don't think I'm gonna keep that pillow right there because it doesn't go. But it's there for right now.